Hello beautiful angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. As you know, I have planned to make this video for you guys. I want my angels to know me a little more. So before posting all the new videos like going out or get ready with me or anything long videos like that, I wanted to make sure that you guys know me a little more so that you could connect with me. So let's start this video. So the first question is, why did I change my language for videos? So here's the thing, I used to do in Hindi, and some of my close friends and relatives, they don't know Hindi, and I got so many questions like, you know better English, you can speak in English, why are you making in Hindi, or why did you choose Hindi specifically? So I said that everyone knows Hindi, and everyone in India knows Hindi. It's a national language and everything, and this nation will know Hindi, so as usual. But there are a lot of more people who doesn't know Hindi actually, so that's not an offense, that's okay. I'm not judging anyone, but everyone knows English because it was a major language in school, in colleges and all. I think I started to make videos in English because of that, because I want every one of you to understand me and I don't want to take sides here. So the next question is, who inspired you to open a YouTube channel? So I want to say that it's all kind of mixed and matched here, because there's no particular people that inspired me on YouTube. There are so many people who have seen like in such a young age making a videos, uploading it, being a content creator and everything, and I saw it as a good opportunity and good self growth thing one can do. If you are under 20, please go open a channel, do something. You can see yourself get better in vlogging and in everything else, in communicating and everything. It has lot of perks, so go do that. Don't waste your time. If you're studying, it's okay, you can do it like a hobby, like it can be your hobby in between studying and all. So but don't give up study for vlogging. I suggest that don't leave studies or job for vlogging, do it with that. Even I am doing the same thing, I am working and I am doing content creation also, so it's a little hard for me, I must say, but I am however managing it. I am putting a lot of hard work into it, so one day it will get paid off. I know that, I believe in that. For the inspiration part, I have seen a lot of influencers making a lot of people happy by their videos and making their day better. So I just want to be a happy part of your life, and I just want to be a happy part of my life. When I go back and watch those videos in my YouTube, those are all memories that I can go back in my future and I can smile upon. So yeah, that's one reason to go with content creation. I started content creation a year before, but I had uploaded only one video. I used to go to my channel and check that video every week, like every 1 or 2 days, because I liked how I edited and everything. I used to get that smile on my face when I see my own videos. So then I thought, like, if I do this, it's gonna be better for me, better for my future. So then I thought, like, if I can edit this good and if I can do this good in the start of my journey itself, then I can do a lot more better when I learn everything in content creation. So that was my thing. Next question is, how do you handle content creation and work or job? So it's a little difficult for me, if I say honestly. It's been difficult because I do night shift, and in morning I wake up pretty late because I need good hours of sleep, at least 7 hours. If I get 7 hours, it's amazing. I'll be a lot more active. My job gets over at 3 o'clock at night and I'll sleep nearly 3:30. As of now, from when I joined gym, I started to get up at 9:30. It's been a little helpful for me and for content creation also, because I go to gym and I come from gym and I get time to create my content in afternoon, so which is better for me. But to edit, it takes a lot more time than I used to have. But to edit those videos, I want a lot more time. I want like 3 hours of time to get it all good edited and good to go in YouTube, but for me it's not happening. I'm not getting that time because I want to do a lot more things than only create. I want to take care of myself. I want to clean my room every day. I want to take a self-care day every day, like take bath, be glowing every day. And to do all those things, it's literally a bit difficult, but I'm managing it. I'm doing a lot of hard work, and yeah, I'm used to it. I'm getting used to it. So hope I get a lot better in this, and I know I'll get a lot better in this going forward. So yeah, I'm so excited about that, to see where I'll be in 2 years, to look back all those memories, all those things that I've created, all those things I have made a video of. I'll be so excited to see where I have come from and where I am there after 2 years. So I'm so excited for that. And you guys, as my family, you will be a part of it too. You will actually see me grow, can see me change my mindset, because yeah, before 2 years my mindset was not like this. It was a lot more different. So yeah, I'm so grateful for you guys to be a part of my family and watch through all that and be through all that with me, hoping that this roller coaster is gonna be pretty awesome. The next question is, am I gonna study more? As of now, no. I have completed my degree, and as of now I'm not thinking to study because I want to study. I want to study in art, in fine arts, but as of my situation, I'm paying my house rent, and I can't get that thing out of my way because my family took care of me and I have to take care of them now. So yeah, I can't leave them, and I can't stop paying rent. If I don't have to pay rent, I wanted for sure to get into masters in fine arts. So yeah, it's okay, I can do a course or something like that, and I can still be better. And yeah, hope everything goes well in future. Positive vibes only, no negative vibes allowed here. And the next one is, how old am I? I am 23 years old, born on June 4th. We have some months left for that, for the big day. The next question is, are you in love? Oh my god, this was asked by so many guys. I'm not gonna say everything right now. I'm gonna keep my part of my life secret because they say that keep it private until it's permanent. I'm for sure that I will tell you guys everything one day, but not right now, because this is my new start. This is my start of some career that I'm doing right now. This part is where I concentrate on myself first. So yeah, let's see where it goes, and one day you will be the witness to hear everything. And the next question is, what's your goal in life? My goal in life is to see myself very successful independent businesswoman in my future. So yeah, I have struggled a lot before. I have had bad relationships, toxic relationships. I have had blames. I have had like so many negative things in my life, and from past 2 years I have kept all that aside and I have come to a better place now. So I'm so happy for that. My goal is to get independent, become a businesswoman and stand on my feet. That means I'm standing on my feet right now, but to not have any support from anyone, and to get everything I want in my life, and to make my parents proud. They should think that this girl did it all, like make them so proud that they can say that this is my girl. That's my goal. That's it, angels. That's all. A little get to know me questions. So hope you liked it and hope you connected a little with me. Thank you again for being a part of my family. I love you guys a lot, and thank you for supporting me. See you in my next video, angels. Bye. Take care of yourself.